Hello. So tonight for dinner, Mark and I have some friends over, and we got seafood from Lotus. So I got the Loud Pack, and it's shrimp, crawfish, fried rice, but then we also got some other sides. I'll show you guys in a second. But this is their shrimp, and then this is their crack sauce that is delicious in these packets. Fried rice, and I did get some corn too.
My mouth is on fire.
I got the mild. You got what spice level did you get?
Or hollow.
The hottest.
Mm-hmm.
There's some crab here. Claw. You guys can talk. That's fine. They're like they're doing charades over here. Corn.
Potato.
Potato. Hush puppy. Okay. I'll show you Mark and all my friends. Our friends. Here's Mark.
Some shrimp.
He got the Loud Pack as well, but he just got the spiciest level of shrimp.
Mm-hmm.
You're Shaggy.
And the lobster.
Fried lobster with crack sauce. That was really good. And then we have, Steven. Steven, what did you get?
Loud Pack, sausage, fried oysters.
Oh, fried oysters. I don't think I'm a fan. And Andrea, you got corn? That's all you got? You got, we're all sharing kind of everything. So here's the
Test my spice limit. This is my first one, so take it easy on me. Jalapeno, blue heat Takis. Jalapeno hot sauce. Cheers. I'm sorry. All you know reaction people out there, that's cap. Y'all be dying after you end the clip. Oh my god. I mean, mad props if you aren't doing this after your end recording. Oh, I can't even speak.
Switching diets with my mom. For breakfast, I have Raisin Bran.
I have English muffins with peanut butter and banana.
Thumbs up from me.
Needs milk. And what are you, 70 years old?
10 out of 10.
2.
For lunch, I have mac and cheese.
I have Chick-fil-A nuggets.
So good it doesn't even need sauce.
Really dry. How did you fail at making mac and cheese?
9 out of 10.
1.
For dinner, I had pizza without cheese.
I had mahi-mahi with carrots.
So bad I couldn't even swallow it.
Where's the cheese, you crazy person?
For dessert, we both have mint chip ice cream. Mother like daughter.
10 out of 10.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Hoping that you would share. So I love it how we still swapped like something that reminds us of each other.
What have you got?
Fritos? Wait, Fritos? This reminds you of me?
Favorite candy? Oh yes, this is good.
Zappers! Oh, they're grape and strawberry. At first I thought you just got me strawberry and I was like, nah.
I didn't even look at the flavor.
Something that we think the other person needs. Something healthy. Something healthy. Chewing gum! What?
I just did it as a joke. You don't have bad breath.
This boy is the least healthy person I ever met. Favorite drink?
Spicy water.
Oh! That's a good one! That's my favorite flavor! Mother
Mother.
energy drink.